Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Janki's Cookbook. In today's video, I'm going to share the recipe of Palak rice with rajma. If your dietitian has given you rajma rice in your diet plan, then you can definitely try this recipe because it is so much better than your regular rajma rice recipe, and also it is so yummy, it is filling and is very tempting. Also, if you're not on a diet and trying to lose weight, then you can definitely try this recipe because the calories is just 357, that too for lunch or dinner, with 23 grams of protein. So you can definitely consider this recipe as high protein dinner recipe. The measurements that I have shared serves one person here. To begin with, I take a pan and heat about 5 grams of ghee or 1 full spoon of ghee. Once the ghee is heated, I will add half a spoon of cumin seeds. Now, I will take half a cup of finely chopped onion and cook it until it is transparent. Keep stirring it or it may burn. Once the onions are cooked, we'll be adding in red, yellow and green bell peppers. Bell peppers release water which will help them in cooking fast. Over here you can also add red cabbage, but I forgot to add them. While the bell peppers are being cooked, we will prepare the gravy, for which we need a small piece of ginger, 1 cup of spinach, 1 chilli and a small tomato. Grind everything until a smooth paste is formed. As you can see, my bell peppers are cooked. Now I will be adding the prepared gravy to the pan and let it cook. We'll add some water and take some water in mixer grinder so that nothing stays back in the grinder. Now adding in some chilli flakes, mixed herbs and oregano. These spices are purely dependent on your taste buds. And lastly, some salt. And that's it, your yummy palak rice with rajma is ready. Serve it in a bowl. Also, you can grate some cheese if you are allowed to eat it. I hope you all liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.